Hi guys, this is Heather's Lorcana openings. She's going to be doing so many a day. We brought a booster box. We've opened a couple already. And we think we'll get about three packs.
Yeah, about 3 packs. So I'll start.
I will upload the video that we opened earlier, the 3 packs, a couple of minutes ago as well. I'll put that up as a separate video. Gazelle, Adora Beazle Winterpop, Aunt Cass, Mr. Litwack, Making Magic, Kohut, Rescue Rangers Away, Tinkerbell, Mosquito Bite, and Raya, Daisy Duck, and Training Dummy. Is that the foil Training Dummy?
Yeah, that's the foil.
We're going to be doing so many of these a day, guys. Well, an opening every day. Basil, Michael Darling, Nick Wilde, Dale, Making Magic, Kakamora, Scrump, Lose the Way, Megabot, Seeking the Half Crown, Ambush. Basil is the foil card. This is the Azurite C collection as well, guys. We are hoping to get our hands on some Fabled soon. Fred, Markowski, Aunt Cass, I Won't Give In, Tinkerbell, Kakamora, Gopher, March Hare, Basil, Baymax, Winnie the Pooh, and the foil card is Grand Councilwoman.
Thank you very much, guys.
Follow, like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for your time. See you soon.